Kisak Ekato kotomo Ocaaloi arabnat VHTs lukadoi buga loko soroti kesibian apotu kidiaros oyapia sikia RCC aito duna nyunyura kech Kanuebe atacha keserio ngetlo angaleu isirigini dis emuron lodo Ocaaloi lokaseli B kotomo senior quarters David Opolot nyesato gane ebe amunosikesi adumuni sirigin lude yatakina Kanu pachi akesa swamna de kisidwe kato konyi disbona poni Etace kesi
Sonne somaso e polio lo sodi no metatation o polo lo yare metatation do bera Etace da e gele Etace sa son for 4 days na kiniso na kaisa kanya ko ya pa le data pa na ko ta ke el swaka sinata ilini akwata ke dikani ubunjo elo sisi na kaisa kanya ko nyora so le ko la somu na kele so ngisi bi yasanji la ko sineje RCC ni soroti o karuje o la palo on ne so do sodi le colegio la palo monta de masalo ya re un
amurona chena kombale sel kotomo pamba Sara Akelo nyesabala da bonebe ne ageu noraswamu abeiti kesi elo6 keda Imurok luda dekis anyami kapun luariakasi konye kesi boni etidishari lukech
dokwana aboni process mataswa do mamta ta isoto lodo doko lo lai woro ndo so be babu na jamu sirigi konye ko jidi yangar so training problem na so be besa dum nislu ko ay to mana kanya ngini pare ni so ma ide ni losne sa swam do ka be dal sa swam ko be ba kay so be lu na kasa kanya be sa dum ite so ngesi bor nyura sa départ konye ko yangar so training le mota so be besa so be flat rate araja na city araja VHT araja LOC bi ya dum ni flat rate of ikapulu kere donc ando lo ana akati LOC lukuna kasa kanyare VHT lukuna kasa kanyare donc on était health workers be 105 yes ko do ngere tisirigi anuna arai we expected ki lukuna kwa 105,000 donc do lo so ngani mo so be lukuna kasa kanyare iteje so we decided abu ne RCC for some clarification nubere ngara so
konye RCC ebuga soroti Peter Pex Paak nyesi abu kilipi luayai toka kronu da ngaleu aigwainiki ni kapun luda alosit kotoma oropit lode kisa kidwe kato nara eben nen anomuna ationisna.
I told them whatever that is being paid must be from the work plan. So I called the team from the city, that is the communications officer, the senior nursing officer and the health educator. All of them came to office. We had a meeting and I requested them to come with the approved work plan for that activity. So they came and we clearly explained to the VHTs that one, they were entitled to 15,000 for training. Number two, they were entitled to 15,000 per day for the exercise done. And so the training was 1 day. The exercise was 3 days. That means 4 days. They were entitled to 4 days payments. 4 days times 15,000 is 60,000. Their claim was that they are not being paid transport. That somebody had told them that they will be given transport of 50,000 per day, meaning 30,000 per day. When we went through the work plan, the 15,000 for transport was not included for the VHTs. It is for the health workers alone, which to me, I felt was unfair.
Kanoka TV East, Alfreda Tuau, Kobuga Soroti.